Alright, continuing on. Alright, given that the shape is a rectangle, solve for w, x, y, and z. So again, rectangle, every one of these is a right angle. Set them equal to 90, so x equals 90. That's it. Easy. 3w equals 90. Divide by 3. W equals 30. 9z equals 90. Divide by 9. Z equals 10. 5v plus 25 equals 90. Minus 25. 5v equals 65. Divided by 5. V equals 13. Name the quadrilateral that satisfies all the following conditions. The diagonals are congruent, the opposite sides are parallel, the opposite sides are congruent, diagonals bisect each other, the diagonals are perpendicular. All these things make a square. Okay. 31. Solve for the area perimeter. Now we can definitely get the perimeter right now. Okay, so 8.1 is this, 5 is this, 7 plus 3, this whole thing is 10. So for perimeter, we're going to do 8.1 plus 5 plus 10. 23.1, okay? And then we're missing this height right here. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem with 3 and 5. Okay, 3 squared plus x squared equals 5 squared. 9 plus x squared equals 25. Minus 9. 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. And if you remember, this is a Pythagorean triple. 3, 4, 5, right triangle. So, for area, we should know it's base times height divided by 2. The base is still 10. The height we just figured out is 4. And divide by 2, which gives us 20. 32, solve for the area and perimeter of the following shape. Remember, this is a regular polygon. This is on your formula chart. Alright, so the area is 1/2 little a, big P. Little a stands for apothem. Okay, so right here, this is my apothem. Let's figure out the perimeter real quick. I got 7 times 6. What is 7 times 6? Okay, 42. So for the area, it's going to be AP, so 5.78 times 42 divided by 2, or a half, whatever. So 5.78 times 42 divided by 2, 121.38. Okay. Cool. 33. Solve for the area and perimeter of the following shape. Now, luckily, we have everything we need right here. So for a trapezoid, for the first perimeter. For perimeter, add up all the sides. 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 18. 46. Okay, and the area is just base times height. 18 times 7.4. No, that's not true. Hold on. For a trapezoid, if we look at our formula chart, 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So it equals base 1 plus base 2, 18 plus 12, times the height, 7.4, divided by 2. Okay. $111. What's the area of the unshaded part? Okay. So we're going to do the big rectangle, and then we're going to minus, and then we're going to do the square plus the triangle. Okay. So how do I find the area of a big rectangle? I do length times width. 300 times 150. I'm going to get that number, minus, and what's the square? 100 times 100, plus, and for the triangle, it's base times height divided by 2, 120 times 150 over 2. So let's figure out these numbers. 300 times 150, 45,000. $9,000. Okay. Okay. So we're going to add those up over here. So basically 4,500 sorry, that should be 1,000. 45,000 minus, and what's 10,000 plus 9,000? 19,000. All right. And that gives us 26,000 feet squared. All right. All right. To the next page. Got some more of the same thing. Okay, what's the total area of the selection that ELI will paint? The shaded triangles represent the selections ELI will paint. So, shaded is what he will paint. Area will paint. So we're finding the area of 2 triangles, okay? So 2 triangles. So 2 times base times height divided by 2. 2 times the base is 4, the height is 6. 4 times 6 divided by 2. We're going to get 24 centimeters squared. Alright. 36. The dimensions of 3 connected stores are shown below. How many square feet is it going to be? So, basically we can break this up into 3 sections and find those 3 areas and add them up. So if I keep this going straight and this going straight, okay, this is 60, this is 75, what is 60 plus 75? 135. I'm going to take that whole thing, 243 minus 135 So this right here is 108. Alright, and then the other thing I need to find out, if this whole thing is 215, and this is 128, 215 minus 128 gives me 87. So that means that this right here is going to be 87. Alright, so let's add up all three rectangles, and we're finding there what? How many square feet of space, which means area. So the first one, 275 times 60 plus 108 times 87 plus 75 times 215. Let's plug it in. 275 times 60 add those up. Alright. Back to circle stuff. Two tangent lines. Remember, that means these are equal. 12y minus 5 equals 7. 7y plus 10. We get rid of the smaller y. Get rid of the loner. Then we get rid of that coefficient. Alright. Down here, these are those Pythagorean theorem problems. Same thing over here. more circle stuff. So remember, the inside angle equal sign half the arc. So we'll call that x. So to get rid of the half, times 2, times 2, 38 times 2 is 76. Okay, so let's call the angle x. The angle equals 1/2 the arc. So half of 86 is 43. Okay. The angle equals 1/2 the arc. Half of 114 is 57. Okay. So on this one, again, you get to use your formula chart. Outside angle equals 1/2 big arc minus small arc. So we need to get 1/2 of 110, which is 55. So inside angles different. So inside angle equals 1/2 arc plus arc. This is on your formula chart. $87.5. I believe. Same thing here. Inside angle equals 1/2 arc plus arc. Yeah. Alright. So that'll do for the second day. And we'll get the third day going soon.